Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fix Instagram notes not showing. So the first thing that you need to do is to check for app updates. The first thing you should do is check if there are any updates available for the Instagram app. Sometimes an outdated app can cause issues with features like notes not showing app. To check for updates, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and look for any available updates for the Instagram app. Okay. Okay, so since your Instagram is updated, now uninstall and reinstall the app. If none of the previous step work, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. This will completely remove the app from your device and then reinstall it with fresh settings. To do this, go to your device's app store, find Instagram and select uninstall, then download and install the app again. And lastly, open your Instagram app and then tap on the three horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on settings. Now tap on privacy. And then scroll down and tap on activity status. And then you just have to switch on this switch here, and this allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active and currently active. And there you have it. Those are a few things you can try to fix Instagram notes not showing. If none of these steps work, you may want to contact Instagram support for further assistance. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Bye.